And this is the mobile 3D scanner. Hello my friends, my name is Sascha Zokic, located in Austria, Vorarlberg. I'm 40 years old and I'm a 3D printing, 3D scanning enthusiast and crafting guy. I'm 3D printing as a hobbyist since 2016-17, and 3D scanning I started in 2020. In 2021 I leveled up myself with a Shining Einscan. In the first scenario, you will need a 3D scanner, you will need a laptop. This is a high-grade laptop and also expensive one. You will need, for transportation of the laptop, your bag. Transporting this scanner, get yourself a transport case. This is the equipment you will need when you are on the go for 3D scanning. Take a lot of equipment with yourself. It's not that mobile because if you go into the field, you will have the lack of power supply for those equipment, which means it is a little bit annoying. I contacted Shiny and said, listen guys, I have seen you released a cool product in September 2024. It's the EINSTAR Vega. I have seen all the technical data. I've already seen YouTube videos. And I must say it's a really interesting thing. Thank you Shiny for giving me the opportunity for testing. Let's see what's in the package of the EINSTAR Vega. First of all, you have here a packaging list. The major stuff is the carry case, and there is also a strap for the carry case so you could put it over your shoulder, this one. So the scanner itself with a hand strap, I mounted it already. It's important to have a good tight fit in your hands. Also the silicone case, the protection case is also included in this package. This is the packaging from the hand strap. You get also the power cable and the power adapter. But it's for 65 watts power charger and the USB Type-C power cable. A figurine for your first scans with the EINSTAR Vega. It's the mascot that was chosen from Shining EINSTAR for this one. Keep shining. cool slogan. Calibration cardboard holder and the calibration board itself. Please take care of the calibration board. It's really important that you keep it safe and don't scratch the board because it's needed. So your scanner delivers the best output possible with this calibration board. Good scanners rely on the calibration boards, a QR code for the quick start guide, and also a little pack of markers. These are the 12 millimeters, and these are, I think, the 6 millimeters scan markers, which you will need for objectives which have not plenty of features. This is the package you get from EINSTAR Vega. If you buy the whole package, this is all included in the package, and this would be all I need for 3D scanning. Imagine the image before, what I needed to be mobile, and also it's pretty handy, it's not heavy, it's some sort of making fun already. So let's talk about the specs of this mobile scanner. You get with this scanner two scanners integrated into one device. It's the HD mode you get to scan with and the fast mode. The HD mode uses the infrared MEMS projector. It's placed in the middle, the bigger one, the opening. The fast mode with the two vessel projectors infrared for catching up big object data like cars, for example. The HD mode goes up to 15 frames per second and the fast mode goes up to 20 frames per second. The working distance in the HD mode for catching up details is from 100mm to 300mm. And the fast mode for the big objects goes up from 350mm up to 1500mm. The EINSTAR Vega has an integrated battery with 5000 mAh. You are also able to connect it with USB-C power bank to extend the scan experience. Also it has the possibility of Wi-Fi 6 connection. You have also the 48 megapixel color camera. Alignments you have for the scan data are the texture alignment, the marker alignment and the feature alignment. EINSTAR Vega offers also mini PC integration with a CPU carrying up 8 cores with 2.4 GHz. It has 32 GB of RAMs, also 32 GB of eMMC storage, and 512 GB of SSD, which means if you scan or collect data or scan data, you don't have to immediately transfer the data to your working station or to your laptop. You can store it on the EINSTAR Vega or upload it to the cloud. Output files you get, the 3D data with the meshes, are PLA, STL, OBJ, and ASC files.